I would like to present my company RX24 to you. Uh, we are three partners. Two of my partners are in India. One of them is in this presentation as well, Mr. Sumit Maheshwari. And I would like to present you RX24. About RX, we are basically RX Aushadhi as a certified online retail and pharmacy stores available in the central India, which is Madhya Pradesh. We are basically in having 4 stores here, and we are doing a POC from last 4 years. It's been tremendous work that we have done here. We have invested our timings and our energy in making this brand. RX24 basically is a supply chain where of medicals and drugs. So when we started in 2018, I was visiting India. I met Sumit and Anil in Indore, and we met and we started off thinking doing something in the pharmacy retail chain, because it was the structure in India where the pharmacies are. It's like on basis of ethical and Ayurvedic organic product, where it is semi-governed by the government, not like US, where it is governed by the central agencies and there are much enforcement. So we thought to have a broader scope of giving the facility of discounted medicines to the customers. So we started up with 4 stores, and then we also helped in joining one of our now he's a good friend of mine. So he wanted to change his business from regular one to enter into the pharmacy, and he became one of our prominent franchisee as of day to day. Why I'm presenting this is because I want to grow from here. Now after pandemic, we saw that it's the time for us to expand our horizon out of Indore and grow outside Madhya Pradesh and the belonging states of Madhya Pradesh. Our vision is to become a most trusted drug provider in the industry, and with the highest customer service and economical prices. This has been our USP, and we are doing really great as per as our Indore conviction is. We started up 1,000 and 2,000 customers, but then now we have grown to almost like more than 5 lakhs customers, and you will see that per stores we are like 1 lakh satisfied customers. That's our rate. This is one of our snapshot that I would like to give. We have been into this market where we are giving services at Ayurvedic level, ethical drug sales, as well as the herbal products as well. Now, to give you the more depth that we have done is that we have done our groundwork on transportations, logistics, procurement, and setup of any stores. We as I said, with the last proven 4 years of track records, our growth rate is significant. We have already devised a model how to expand the revenue for any franchisee at a given place, and at a given time. Now, because we are based in central India, we would like to cover the dynamics of inventory movement in India. So let's say we have any franchises in Gujarat, and then some franchises in West Bengal. Because we are centrally located, we can move the inventory in a very quick fashion. That's what is our strength here, and that's what our model that we want to grow ahead. One more quality that we'll be bringing in is the barcoding of all the drugs, so that the movement of our inventory is smooth and getting tracked on time. As I said, our strength, basically we have a team of on-call specialists. We call them a specialist because they are basically chemists sitting on call in our office. We have our own website, rx24.com, where we expect that customers, they just click a photograph of their prescriptions and upload it, and the on-call specialist can review and provide prescriptions on call. And then we have a team of delivery system where the drugs can be delivered at home as well. Apart from that, As I mentioned, like we have an RX24 app available. We have our own stores. And the good part is like we would be growing. We would like to seek multilingual employees to join our company in future. The added advantages are all the system is cloud enabled, and that's why we will not have any downtime. You will see that this is our team. You will see Anil and Sumit here, and we are a strength of almost 29 here, and we are growing strong. As I said, we have a global presence on the web. We have our YouTube channel. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Insta. We have multiple offerings. Market side, we have a strong base of our distributors. Which we have connect with. There are 35 strong vendors through which we have our connections. And because we are licensed, we have the license for warehousing. We are procuring these from 35 vendors, and then we provide the modeling on top of it, which gives us a precise model of how much savings a person can do. On the delivery side, we have a strong team which is delivering the medicines to the end customers, may it be at a remote location as well. We have our own POS software that will be installed for any franchisees. And then on the pricing basis, the customer can get up to 10%, and the unit franchise gross profit is expected around 25%. That's what the lucrative offer that we would like to give to the franchises. Here's the thing that I would like to show you. We have worked around with many other companies which are present and would like to see where RX24 falls. So if you see here, back in 2018 when RX started, we started with the pharma, and then we had the supplement, and then we put the OTC product. Slowly, we started putting the cosmetics, and now in 2023, we would be bringing in Pink Box. Now, it's a very unique concept, and that's why we call ourselves as RX24 Wellness Stores, because this is a woman-centric store. What we figured out in last 4 years was that out of 10 customers, there is only one female customer that is coming to the store. There might be the Indian mentality or psychology where the women's or females are not going to pharmacy stores for some hesitance or reasons or some other reasons, but that's what we figured out. So we thought of bringing in Pink Box. It's a different additional model to what RX24 is. So when I say RX24, it's a drugstore or pharmacy store. But then RX24, when we attach to RX stores, we call it RX Wellness Store. As I said, it's focused on women centric. We would be offering out of very minimal charges every female in India to have the medical checkup at a very free of cost. And this is like the offering where it will be run by females and for females. It would be having a vanity box where they can try and test all the cosmetic products that are there in the store, and they can order it from that box itself. It would be an independent place for any female to enter and experience their own world out of the stress. They can have their own me time there in this box. We would be offering pedicures, manicures for all the females as part, and cosmetic offerings as well. This, as I said, it will start with female customer to get registered into our app, and once they are registered, they can have one time free or at a minimum charge depending on the places their checkup. There would be a visiting practitioners who would be doing the medical checkup for them, and on that prescription we would suggest. We also have an additional app through which we would make an appointment for the doctors for them, and then proceedingly we would provide them the rides to the clinics. So that's a very good concept, pink box. Going to the market strategy, we would like to offer here three segments: a single unit franchisee, a master 12 unit franchisee, and master 20 unit franchisee. How we have divided it is a single unit for any person who wants a single store of franchise of RX24. he would need to have a 300 to 400 square feet of area, and then dynamics of the investment is expressed in years. The second segment is master 12. This is for tier 2 and tier 3 cities where the population is between 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs people, and we would like someone to invest here for 12 stores at least for tier 2 or tier 3 cities. The investment here is almost 32 lakhs 40,000 for master 12 franchisees, and then for the cosmopolitan or the metro cities, it's like for 20 stores, and the investment here would be 44 lakhs and 40,000. The ROI that you will see that um, on a percentage basis, it will grow exponentially after the payback time. It would be for 20 units, it would be 1074, and that's what I can see it getting projected. You will see the different percentage of margins that a single unit store can have. It would be ranging between 25% to the master franchisee of 20 unit store to 29%. The payback period for a single unit, it's like, we have outbound it to 24 months, but I'm pretty much sure with KR, the example that I gave, he had the his own payback time within 18 months. So that's how, the conviction rate is when we provide these services to our customers. For master franchisee 20, you can expect almost around 17 months. This is the investment summary here. As I mentioned, like for a single unit store, it would be 9 lakh 40,000. For master franchisee 12, it would be 32 lakh 40,000. And then the for master franchisee 20, it would be 44 lakhs 40,000. Now, all this investment is only for the franchise store, which is the pharmacy stores. And the pink box, it's a different segment that we have. It has a different investment summary as well. So overall, you will see that uh, you know we are going to provide you help in setting up your franchisees, your warehouse, and your inventories in this range. And then coming back to the support, as I was saying, the pre-opening and post-opening support that we are going to give. We are going to help you in pre-opening, where it would be site selection and approval, store development, furniture and fixture equipment sourcings, centralized POS integration, product inventory planning, staff hiring, and then the marketing of your stores, launching the store to the market, and providing all the marketing related support for your growth. Post opening, we would be time to time we would be having a scheduled training of the staffs that has been hired. There would be special offers around running around the months. Just to give you an example, for just like today, it's a new year, Gudi Padwa, we have our promotions running. And then it's after the stability, we would be giving a development on the market research for the franchisees. And then the biggest thing is that we would be having a direct procurement for manufacturers and distributors, so that you get the biggest margin sale when it goes to the customer sale is. So here it is. We are RX24.